Welcome back to Into the Cosmos. This will be update number 1 on our thrust vector control rocket. So, the progress that we've made so far, we've got some 3D printed parts assembled, some servos. Work is still continuing on the design. Once it is done, which will most likely be in the next update, we will be making those files available on our Etsy and to Patreon supporters. Link to the Patreon is in the description. We have also been working with some electronics. So we have a Teensy 3.2 board and a MPU 6050 inertial processing unit with a gyroscope. This is all currently being powered by a regular USB to my computer. Programming we've started work on, but we need to, being new to the whole programming Arduinos, need some work. So the next thing on the to-do list is to finish design of the models so that we can get everything lined up just right and we can begin using the data from our inertial processing unit to control our servos on here. And then once that's done, we can start working on the actual rocket itself, where we'll have this mounted. We can start with making our rocket motors and doing some static fires, and then do a test launch of those motors, and from there on we will be well underway. Yeah, and then we've also got some testing using a motor for the roll control, which this isn't a top priority, but it'd be nice to have if we ever want to put a camera on board. Because the goal of this is to eventually have our own PCB that we have designed and manufactured that will replace all these wires and the tangled mess, and that would be available to buy. And that would be a multi-purpose computer, and we could put that on any variety of rockets anywhere from this scale to ideally it being able to work for some suborbital solid motor rockets. So yeah, that'll do it for this update. Catch you in the next one.